Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make Bưởi or pomelo pudding. From the name, you might expect it to have somewhat citrus taste, right? But then you're gonna be disappointed because the only part of the pomelo that's used in this dessert is the pith, which is the white part of the rind. So if you have finished the fruit, don't throw away the rind, save it to make this amazingly mouth-watering dessert. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
First of all, you want to peel the pomelo. Just cut the cap off the top of the pomelo and then cut vertical slices down the side of it, about 1 inch into the rind. Pull the slices off the fruit and then dip your finger underneath the slices to pull each one firmly away. For the pudding today, we only use the white part of the rind, which feels like styrofoam. So peel away the green part. Try to remove the green part as much as possible, otherwise it will be bitter. Cut the white part into dices. This job is really mesmerizing and I really loved doing this when I was a kid. For this recipe, you should use only half the rind of 1 pomelo. Next, mix 2 teaspoons of salt and a dash of water with the pith dices and knead with your hands for about 5 minutes. And then rinse well. Then squeeze off the excess water. It's very spongy and absorbs quite a lot of water. You need to repeat this step at least 5 times until it doesn't taste any bitter. Then mix with 50 grams sugar and leave for about 1 hour. Next, rinse 100 grams of peeled split mung beans and soak in water for about 1 hour to soften. And then you can steam or cook in a rice cooker until soft for about 15 minutes. Next, toss the pomelo dices with 4 tablespoons of tapioca starch, that's about 60 grams, and toss well so it's coated around every dices. And then in another bowl, combine 60 grams of tapioca starch with 1 cup of water. Stir well to dissolve. In a saucepan, bring 4 cups or 1 liter of water to a boil and cook the pomelo dices for about 2 minutes until they float to the surface. Then remove with a salted spoon and transfer to an ice water bowl. Then drain and set aside. The dices gonna turn translucent and looks really pretty. Keep the remaining water boiling in the saucepan and add 200 grams of sugar and lower the heat to about medium. Make sure that you stir it up again to bring up the starch to settle at the bottom of the bowl, and then stir in the tapioca starch slurry. Keep stirring until it turns thick and translucent. Finally, add the cooked mung beans and the translucent pomelo dices. The beans should still be in shape and not crushed, which makes a really pretty dessert. Finally, add some vanilla or pomelo extract if you have, and that's it, you are done. You can top this with some coconut sauce if you like, or add some roasted peanuts for extra crunch. Wow, it smells so good and it's not too sweet, and it has really amazing texture with the crunchy pith of the pomelo rind. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and please click like if you love it, and let me know which other Vietnamese desserts that you would like me to make. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates of Vietnamese food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.